Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, open settings and scroll down. Choose security and go into screen lock. Then you need to pick one of the lock methods, swipe pattern, pin or password and tap on the chosen one. Now you need to enter it, choose next and repeat it. Then select confirm at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, over here you need to pick how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. So just click on one of the options like don't show notifications at all, and finally click done. Now when I turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!